fridge, a coffee machine, ice bucket and some storage area there for whatever you store there. And a drawer with coffee, tea, creamer, sugar. Small storage here, USB plugs. Got USB plugs next to the bed. This is the other bed. I'm not going to do that now unless you think I should.
No.
No, fair.
No, we'll see it another time, I'm sure.
Yeah. So if you're just using the one bed, you've actually got quite a lot of room, haven't you? So there's more USB plugs there. Big bed, so many pillows. That's for 2 beds. I like the little artwork there above the bed. And then you've got a couple of drawers. I think these are literally just empty drawers. Huge TV. How big is that? Like 60 inches?
Oh, that is big, isn't it?
That's like the same size as the one at home.
I didn't notice that.
Safe. Don't know how you use it 'cause it's locked. I imagine it's just a 4-digit code to unlock it. An adjoining bedroom. Yeah. Sliding doors to the bathroom. And then you've got another pillow in case 8 are too many. Some hangers. Look behind there. You've got an iron. Some toilet rolls. A iron, hairdryer, tissues, a sink. Apparently this is the really good stuff, isn't it?
Is it?
We're yet to try it. Everyone goes on about it. I really don't know. Sliding door to the toilet. Toilet. And it's a tub. Ooh. Which way are we going? That way. They're the toiletries that everyone goes on about as well. So yeah, that's our room here.